the banana flower salad is ready, right? No need to cook anymore.
No.
Cool. Love it. So banana flower salad today.
That's banana flower. Not salad, not salad.
Ah, no salad.
No.
How do you call
But
this?
This is a cook.
Ah, it's cooked. It's true. So, but it's still banana flour.
Yeah, but still.
Working hard.
Yeah. I cook also the base like this.
You hold this, I hold this.
We cook.
Because like this you can cut your fingers very easily. Like this you never cut your finger. So it's like you hold it like this, and then you how thin do you want it? Yeah, this knife is not very sharp.
Yeah.
And so it's not so easy. Not like this, you can never cut your fingers, you know. Onion, how was this? Radish?
Yeah, it's
Onion,
ready.
radish, tomatoes.
Your cousin, I think.
My cousin? What cousin?
Oh, I don't know his name.
Oh no, that's a friend of mine, not cousin.
Okay.
Jó reggelt!
Jó reggelt.
Jó reggelt!
Yeah,
Hogy
good
is-
morning.
Jó reggelt!
Jó reggelt.
Jó reggelt! Jó reggelt kívánok!
Ayun na, bilhin na tayo. Tapos ang isa?
15. Oh, it's one more person watching. So that's gonna be ampalaya. Oh, very bitter. Ez nagyon keserű. Why not? Is it bad? No problem. So next dish.
Yes, next.
Next dish. What's the name?
Ang palaya.
Ampalaya. Okay.
Ano ang kwan?
We start with oil, garlic, always is radish raw in Hungary. We never cook radish. A retket soha nem főzzük meg Magyarországon, de itt mindig megfőzzük a retket. Retek, radish. Ha.
I already got radish salad. Another one for you.
Another one. Okay. So ampalaya. Bitter melon, it's called also. What's that? He's asking if I cannot sleep. Nem tudsz aludni? He said, oh, you cannot sleep. I forgot that it's 7 minutes past 1 p.m. 13 óra 7 perc van itt. Ilyenkor már nem alszanak az emberek Fülöp-szigeteken. Wow. I turn it off because it's off. We turn it on again when it's necessary. Garlic. Yes. Nice. Monkey food. Yes. This is a tree house. Wow. Cold clay. So then you started with the garlic,
Yes.
onion, tomato,
and
and tomatoes. Garlic, onion, tomatoes, and coconut
I
oil.
forgot this.
Coconut oil? What did you forget?
I forgot. Maybe.
Carrot?
I will do carrots for
Ready?
maybe better. Carrots for very. Ano yung carrots kit? Kuma. Ito na. Ano na mo? Kamay mo. Okay, sama na. Ano na yung kanan?
I have a friend, she's watching in Canada what
Yeah?
you're cooking.
I'm Canada.
Yeah,
And you try.
she's in Canada. So I had another friend in Hungary watching it also. Ampalaya. Bitter melon. Bitter melon. So what's the name of the dish again? Name of dish?
Ampalaya with egg.
Ampalaya with egg. Okay. Very nice. Lots of things, lots of things, lots of things. That's spinach, right? Kangkong.
Yeah.
Spinach later, the next dish. I love this. Lovely green and red chili. Oh, carrot. That's a hard pass, right?
Doon may pa.
Ako na, yan na. Yan na.
Yeah, it's a very bad log there. Have to make that work better. Okay, see you later.
Eggs, no? Yes,